Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, Coco the bird was perched on a branch, enjoying a juicy worm. Suddenly, he hears a faint cry for help. Coco and his other friends carefully parted the leaves and gasped. Nestled amongst the leaves, they found a tiny bird, Pip, shivering and alone. Pip's wing was injured, and he looked terrified. Coco and his friends, despite their initial fear of the injured bird, felt a pang of sympathy. Remembering their mother's words, "Always help those in need," the friends gently nudged Pip with her beak. "Don't worry," they croaked, "we will help you." They carefully carried Pip to a safer spot under a large oak tree. They used her beak to gather soft leaves and twigs, creating a makeshift nest for Pip. Then the little girl brought him juicy berries and fresh water. Days passed, and Coco and his friends visited Pip every day, bringing him food and keeping him company. Pip's wings slowly began to heal. He chirped happily to Coco and his friends, grateful for their kindness. Finally, Pip's wing was strong enough to fly. He soared into the air, circling their friends joyfully before flying away. Coco and his friends watched him go, a warm feeling spreading through there. They knew they had done the right thing. Moral of the story: this story teaches children the importance of helping others in need, regardless of their differences.